My neighbor's parrot just declared war on my cat. Yeah, and the hamsters listened. The parrot said one word, leave, and they dropped everything. Snowball's tail twitched. Then the parrot flew over the dog park and exploded a chew toy with his voice. He landed on the bird bath and whispered, "I'm your new commander." Snowball narrowed her eyes. The pugs formed a circle around him. The ground began to shake. And then the squirrels returned. But this time, they brought backup. Subscribe for part 9 and comment. Who do you trust now?